And in the latest from Evergrande financial crisis in China, pain is spreading to wealthy investors now as rich trust buyers. They have joined 70,000 retail investors who suffered losses earlier and are demanding their money back. Now, tens of thousands of Chinese households, they are already at the risk of losing their savings as a result of possible default on the part of Chinese property giant Evergrande. Reports say tens of thousands of Chinese households with high-yield investments risk being sucked into the unraveling of China Evergrande Group. Some of these lenders or trusts are already paying from their own pockets to repay wealthy investors on Evergrande's behalf, while some are negotiating payments extensions with Evergrande. The nationwide protest started few days back against missed payments on $6.2 billion of wealth products. The contagion into $3 trillion trust industry will put at risk many more investors while also threatening the biggest source of non-bank funding for property sector. The Evergrande Group is already on the verge of making payment default as it faces repayments in the fourth quarter on $1.8 billion of high-yield products sold through trusts to wealthy clients and institutions. The trouble is now faced by these high-net-worth individuals, and by the end of 2019, Evergrande had done business with most of the 68 trust firms in China, which accounted for 41% of its total financing. And based on last borrowing disclosure, it is. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.